हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम Devin Dr. Shahnawaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of economics for managers. Today topic is pricing approaches. First, dis- descriptive pricing approaches. Full cost of pricing. Full cost of pricing is the practice where the price of a product isolated by the firm on the basis of direct cost per unit of output plus a makeup to cover the overhead cost and the profit. Overhead costs are generally calculated assuming less the full capacity operations of the plant in order to allow allow the fluctuative of the productions and cost. Full cost pricing equal to cost plus fair profit. Full cost pricing, makeup pricing, fixed amount of added, the total cost of product, break even pricing, per unit per unit fixed price plus per unit variable cost. Rate of return pricing, here the obtained a pricing strategy. Full cost pricing strategy consider both the variable fixed cost and variable cost price strategy. Consider only variable cost, not cost. Product line pricing. Product line pricing involves the determine the lower cost pricing products and price the highest price product and price difference for other products in the line. Use a escaping pricing strategy when demand likely to price. A price elasticity, different price market segment, appealing to buyers and higher approaches price, offering the enough to be protected from competition. Productions or marketing costs are unknown. Capacity to constant exist. Of organization want to generate fund quickly. Realistic perceived value of the product exists. Use presentation pricing strategy when demand likely to be price elastic. Offering is not unique approach to be protected from competition. Competitor expected to enter market quickly on no distinct price maker segment. Possibility or probability of the cost saving with large volume of scale. Organizations major objective to obtain the large market shares. Loss lender price strategy, a product price below the cost or loss in order to attract new customers is called a loss lender. A loss lender pricing is the sale of product at close to the loss, while price related to product to high increased profit. One particular example, this is the razor. This is often a store will price will be razor very low, but armed with the knowledge the consumer has need to purchase new blades, refills, set of overprice to increase the profit. Loss lender make of the losses like incurred by entice in existing consumer to the make over the purchase profitable goods while they are the shops. Since many customers pick up pick up load price strategy, peak load price strategy involves the changing different pricing during the peak hour versus off peak hours. When the demand during the peak time is so high that the capacity of the firm cannot serve all the customer at the same price. The profitable thing for the firm do not encourage peak load price. Thus, higher price can be changed during the high peak demand hour and lower prices change during off-peak demand hours. If a firm were to change a high price to all time, no one would purchase during low peak hours. By lowering the price during these low peak demand times and changing a higher price during high peak demand times, the firms increase profit by selling to some customer during the low peak time than the none of all. In terms, if firms change a low price during all times of day, it would lose profit during the peak demand times when customers are willing to pay extra for the services. Thank you.